Little Annie's Birds, A Lesson of Kindness, by Ben Brierley. The snow lay on the ground, and made a druid of each oak, when Annie stepped from the kitchen door, to feed her feathered folk. They flew in circlets round, and perched in chattering groups about. Some fanned the snow from clothesline stumps, and others shared a spout. Then down they came in quick descent, soon as the crumbs were spread, and Annie's glee shone out in smiles at each waggling tail and head. She knows which are the baby birds, they are so wild at first and shy, but as they grow they get more bold, and push their elders by. 'Tis naughty of them, she admits, and selfish too, she says, but who can blame them for it, when so human are their ways? She loved to see upon the snow the prints of tiny feet, like patterns traced on summer dews, where fairies nightly meet. You won't come when the snow is gone, and summer brings you food, to pick the seeds and flowers and fruit, to feed your little brood. Thus Annie spoke, and round there went a twittering that said no, and Annie gave her word that she would feed them during snow. The pledge was kept each summer time, when gardens suffered most. Of Annie's little crop of peas, not one was to her lost. The birds would come and sing for her, or chatter from each tree, but ne'er descend to garden bed, or with the fruit make free. Thus kindness and immunity from pilfering had secured, and neighbours wondered at the cause, whilst they such thefts endured. Ah me, my friends, when you are bent on strife-begetting words, take counsel and a lesson learn from Annie and her birds.